Welcome back to Enjoy Spoonful, guys. My name is Eval, and this week we're going to be looking again at some student recipes. More specifically, how to make some delicious wraps. So let's learn how to make it. When I was a student, I used these guys a lot. I was making sandwiches in them, I was making tortillas, fajitas. So yeah, because I wanted to have interesting meals every now and then. And today I'm gonna show you the wraps that I started doing more recently, which are a bit more healthier version of what I was doing before, which you can do now again. So it has a lot of vegetables in it, and some meat of course, but you can also substitute meat with some beans or tofu if you want, if you're vegetarian. So first let's start with chopping your vegetables. Like in this recipe particularly, I went for some onions, some peppers, some zucchini, and then also which we're going to be cooking. So chop them in advance, so prep for it. Other vegetables you can also chop if you to make it more interesting is some tomatoes to make some salsa, add a bit more freshness to the recipe. And if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video about pickling jalapenos. So if you want to use them in this recipe, please go ahead. Like I'm gonna put them with my tomatoes this time. And you can also put some greens there if you want, so some salads, or in this case I'm gonna go for baby spinach. For this recipe I chose to go with the minced meat. So what I start is frying the minced meat till it gets nice and crispy, and then I add the vegetables in and the spices. So you don't want to cook vegetables for too long because we want to still keep the freshness and the crushiness. When it comes to spice, you can go as crazy as you want. I added some chili there as well, and some cumin, and some coriander. You can add some other spices if you want, some paprika if you want, or some mustard seeds, some Indian spices if you want, or Middle Eastern spices, whatever rocks your boat. Click on the boat we are on a boat, haha. So when everything is done and fried, what you have to do is then... Oh, the good thing about this recipe, it's also like one pan recipe, not one pot but one pan, so it kind of works. And then the last thing you have to do is just to warm up this guys and stuff your face with it. The cool thing about the wrap is it's one of the first breads that we learned how to make, I think around 14,000 years ago or something like that. Let's plate it up and see how it looks like. So here's a little wrap. Nice and fresh. The thing about this recipe is that you can make it your own. Switch vegetables for some other vegetables. You can add more cheese here, switch meats, or go completely vegetarian if you want. So yeah, just make it your own. Wraps are amazing, and I was eating a lot of them during my student life and now as well. So imagine you can do it too. If you enjoyed this episode, please click on the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.